How you guys doing? And thanks for watching. Been kind of a little busy few days here in the shop. Got 3 SUVs in here. Rocking our Lin 6 amber whites on the front, as you can see. Filling up the shop here, just how we like it. Let me show you around the back of these builds. We've got a couple of different configurations here. We've got an older gen 6-head stick in the center. We've got our newest Wicked Slick stick on the closest vehicle in that Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer is mounted up on the roof crossbars. This particular build right here is mounted in the hatch, so it raises with the hatch. As you can see, all the wiring ran down through the factory hatch. That's one style of your mount. This one's coming up. It's a headliner mount, and as you can see, you don't lose any warning when the hatch is open. This one's actually mounted right up tight to the rear headliner. And then lastly, here we have a Ford Explorer, and we use the luggage crossbar here to rooftop mount that one. All 6-head sticks, just mounted slightly different for the unique flavors. And as you can see here, we have the popular flood mode and our Wicked Slick stick there activated. So thanks again for watching. Just figured you guys would get a kick out of all 3 of these SUVs, done a little slightly different, but very similar.